suspects.
What started out as a high-speed chase turns into a foot chase when suspects jump out of a vehicle in front of Wisconsin officers.
And foot bail, 3 occupants.
The entire incident stemming from an alleged retail theft at a Dick's Sporting Goods.
Keep your hands in your back.
Please don't be rough. Like my arm is rough.
It all started on October 3rd in Wauwatosa, Wisconsin, just outside of Milwaukee. That's where police were tipped off about a retail theft at an area Dick's Sporting Goods. Dash camera video shows an officer catch up with the suspect's vehicle.
Hang on, I can go back up 46. What's up, Troy? Yeah, you can clear.
When the suspect refuses to stop along the interstate, an officer can be heard calling in the pursuit.
146. Vehicle is not stopping. We're northbound 41. 57 miles per hour. Looks like we're exiting Capitol.
I'm exiting Capitol. 146, are you in pursuit?
Hey, Fern, you can put me in pursuit right now. Going eastbound Capitol.
106 copy. 146, that plate is Adam Union, Adam 4645, negative current, 2020 Toyota Camry gray color, Lisboa, Dariana Anderson, 7849 North 60th.
10-4. We're still eastbound Capitol, speeds 59, traffic medium.
But after taking an off-ramp, the suspect stops on the side of the road, behind another vehicle.
We're stopped right now, about the 110 block of Capitol. Foot still on the brake. I don't know if they're going to keep going. They're behind a disabled vehicle.
The officer calls in for backup, saying he's worried the car may speed off again. He also calls for stop sticks, just in case the driver makes a break for it.
146. I'll wait for another vehicle to come in case I exit and they take off again. Again, we're eastbound Capitol, about the 110 block.
10-4. You have 115, 160 coming.
10-4. If one just wants to set up sticks ahead of us, just in case.
Minutes later, another officer arrives on the scene.
Do you want me to approach, and then if they take off, you can go?
Sure. That works.
How many? Do you know how many occupants or anything?
Maybe 2.
Huh?
Maybe 2. Hard to tell at the tent.
Okay.
Come on.
Is he set up yet?
I didn't hear him say he was set up yet.
Okay.
Looks like he's almost there.
What?
Looks like he's almost there at 102.
Okay.
While the first officer stays in his squad car, the other approaches the suspect's vehicle on foot.
606 is going to approach. Their foot's still on the brake. And if they try to take off again, I'll follow.
Can you make announcements for them to roll down their windows?
Yep. Driver of the Camry, roll all your windows down now.
106 is 1060. 10-4.
Driver of the Camry, roll your windows down now.
The officer calls for the suspect to roll down the windows, but they refuse. Officers note their vehicle is not in park and could take off at any minute.
160 on 23 at the 10 set up at Grand Tosa, Capital.
146. 606 is trying to make contact. We're not getting compliance with the driver to roll the windows down. Foot still on brake.
This continues on as officers remain ready for the suspect to speed off.
146 to 606. I just saw the front wheels move. Do you want to grab my sticks and try and slide them under the car?
Yeah.
On the driver's side, in case they try and take off?
Soon, another officer brings out a set of stop sticks and places them under the suspect's car.
Got sticks in front of the vehicle right now.
10-4.
It's only seconds later that the driver throws the car in reverse and starts to take off. But the officer behind the car is still ready for a chase and speeds off after the suspect's car.
Reverse!
Contact.
And 146 vehicle's taking off again.
This continues as the suspect weaves in and out of traffic.
Contact.
And 146 vehicle's taking off again. Looks like the sticks hit. We are eastbound on Capitol. Speeds are 60. Traffic is medium. They are weaving in and out of traffic. They're still eastbound on Capitol. They're about 2 blocks ahead of me. Speeds 80. Traffic medium.
The suspect even tops 90 miles per hour and runs a red light.
146, speeds 90, eastbound on Capitol, approaching 92. They just went through the red light.
Suddenly, the car starts smoking and appears to have lost a tire. It's then that multiple suspects hop out and sprint away.
And we're still eastbound on Capitol. They're approaching 85 now. They are smoking right now. Looks like they're losing a tire. And we just turned southbound on A4, southbound A4 from Capitol. And foot bail, foot bail, foot bail. 3 occupants.
Dash camera video shows the officer rush from his squad and call for the remaining suspect to get down.
Well, I got one occupant down on the ground. Looks like a passenger took off going westbound and the driver took off going eastbound.
That's when the chase continues on foot as officers search through a nearby neighborhood for the suspect who ran in that direction.
Yeah, it was crashed at like 84 on southeast corner of Capitol, into like that old first store. Yeah, I think so.
That's what kind of alerted me to what was going on. We switched so many channels as they travel from each district.
When a police canine starts barking, first responders are quick to notice a suspect hidden behind a garbage can. The woman was later identified as Dariana Anderson.
Hey, get your hands up! Hands up! Hands up!
You're gonna get bit! Come on! Come on!
Get your hands up! I see you behind the garbage can. Face away from me. Face away.
Face away! Show me your hands! Show me your hands!
All right.
Good boy.
I got cover.
we called it
On
a-
the, no, on the knees. On the knees. Let's get her.
Get on your knees. Drop down to your knees.
Shouldn't have pulled it back, buddy. My bad.
Keep your hands in your back.
Officers act quickly, putting Anderson in handcuffs.
Please don't be rough. Like my arm is rough.
Hold on. Where'd you put your phone?
My bad. Too much of coincidence with that animal.
My video.
You have. Yeah.
Just confirm that she didn't get bit.
Yeah.
Contact on body camera.
Sure.
I've had a boss come out.
Sure.
When asked, Anderson doesn't tell the officers her name and instead just asks for water.
What's your name? What's your name? What's your
Can
name?
I get some water?
Okay. I just want to make sure. I see that the top was ripped. Was that? Did you get bit by the dog at all? Anywhere? No. Okay.
I just want some water.
Okay. We'll take care of that in just a second. All
Can I
right.
get
I'm just confirming that you didn't get bit. That was already
knees
there.
is hurting.
Okay. All right. Stand up for us. All right. Good with that.
You want to continue?
Please don't be
We only had one going this way, so I think this is. Yep. Okay. We're gonna walk you back out to the front then. Okay.
With that, officers escort Anderson into a squad car.
Check here for any other evidence.